And today I am going to show you how to get unlimited keys and coins in Subway Surfers, right here. So what you want to do is delete your Subway Surfers. Delete it. So mine didn't set install finish. So just gotta go in my downloads and delete it. So delete that. Then what you want to do is go on the App Store and download or search up Subway Surfers cheats and find something like this. It's gonna be right there, so just click on that. Download it, and then it's gonna look like the screen face, so you just click on that. So then you wanna go back. So then you go to step 1, so ignore all these steps. Go to step 1, and no. So then you press download, and then it's telling you here to delete all your data from Subway Surfers. Like delete it, so delete all the data from your thing. So then what you want to do here is press download just once. Then what you want to do here is press download anyway. And this is the Subway Surfers Real, as you can see on the top. Subway Surfers Real. So yeah. So we finish. So wait. So what you want to do? So for me, it finished downloading. So what I have to do here is so here it will pop up this. Says my phone's different, but if you have HTCs like me, actually, yeah, if you have HTCs, yeah, but it works for any kind of phone, any Samsung Galaxies, any kind of phone, so don't worry. So what you want to do here is press next and install right here. So then you wait for that to finish installing. So just wait. So when that's done, it's going to pop up. So download complete. Come on. So I don't know what's going on. So let's go. Okay, it's installing. Just gotta wait. Okay, it's finished. So what you want to do is get out here and go back into the guide, what it says. So wait for the ad, not, and then just keep on going. So right here it'll say click apply cheat button, and I'll go play, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Ad. Press next, and put, apply cheat right here. And then you go on Subway Surfers, and I want you guys to like and subscribe, comment, and I know I'm saying this for too early, but I'm hoping to get 11 likes. That's my goal. 11 likes. Hope you guys. And if you look at Jack, he looks really weird. Like, he looks kind of creepy. So if you done this right, you would get this girl right here. The one. So, and then you look at all the money. Look at, I get all the characters right here. And just to show to you guys, I am not lying to you. I am going to buy. Let's see, I just bought that. Let's see. I am proving to you that I am not lying. This cheat, this glitch, whatever you want to call it, it works 100%. And see, as you can see, I am buying all these outfits for them. And yes, just when I am finished with that, I'm gonna show you. So, look. Okay, so I have, you have to buy the boards yourself. But I will, and the coins work too, so I'm gonna buy Hot Rod, this, and this, Freeze, yeah. Get that, that, there we have that. So you can buy whatever you want. You can buy everything in the game. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. I already said that. I hope you guys have a great day. See ya!